Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today, we have a mouth-watering treat for you all. We're diving deep into the world of Italian cuisine to explore one of its most beloved dishes, lasagna pasta. But hold on to your seats because we also have some surprising unknown facts about this culinary masterpiece. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking. Buongiorno. I'm excited to share the wonders of lasagna pasta with everyone today. Fantastic! So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is lasagna pasta? Lasagna pasta is a classic Italian dish made with stacked layers of wide flat pasta, rich meat sauce, creamy bechamel sauce, and a generous amount of cheese. It's a culinary marvel that has captivated people's taste buds for generations. That sounds absolutely delightful. Now, let's move on to some unknown facts about lasagna pasta. Did you know that lasagna pasta doesn't actually originate from Italy? While it's undeniably popular in Italy, its origins can be traced back to ancient Greece. The Greeks had a similar dish called lasagna, which consisted of layers of pasta and sauce. The Romans later adopted this dish, and it eventually evolved into what we know today as lasagna pasta. Wow, that's truly fascinating. So, lasagna pasta has a rich history that goes beyond Italy. Well, lasagna pasta is known for its distinct layers, but did you know that traditionally, there were no tomato-based sauces in Italian lasagna? Ancient Italian recipes mainly used a variety of different sauces, such as ragù, béchamel, or even fish-based sauces. The addition of tomato-based sauces became more popular in the late 18th century. That's incredible. It's amazing to learn about the evolution of this dish over time. Now, on to the next unknown fact. Have you ever wondered why lasagna pasta tastes even better the next day? It's because lasagna is a dish that improves with time. The flavors meld together and intensify as it sits, allowing the sauce and pasta to absorb all those delicious flavors. So, don't hesitate to make a big batch and enjoy the leftovers. Finally, lasagna pasta is incredibly versatile. While the traditional version with meat sauce is the most popular, you can get creative and experiment with different fillings and sauces. Vegetarian lasagna with roasted vegetables, spinach, and ricotta is a delicious alternative. And for seafood lovers, you can create a scrumptious seafood lasagna with layers of fish, shrimp, and a creamy white sauce. The possibilities are endless. Now, it's time for the best part. Cooking and tasting the lasagna pasta. Absolutely. Let's start by preparing the meat sauce, then move on to the bechamel sauce. We'll layer the pasta, sauces, and cheese, and pop it into the oven for that perfectly golden and bubbly finish. And there you have it, folks. Our delicious lasagna pasta is ready to be devoured. I hope everyone enjoys making and savoring this Italian classic as much as I do. That wraps up today's video, folks. We hope you enjoyed discovering the world of lasagna pasta and those surprising unknown facts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!